Hi, this is Ashley with Ashley Pettit Living, and today we're going to make a delicious black-eyed pea dip. We've already added our black-eyed peas that come out of a can, have been drained and cleaned, with our corn as well in a large bowl. We're going to add several fresh ingredients, including green bell pepper, chopped up, about half a cup. Our next is going to be red bell pepper, about half a cup as well. Nice and colorful dish we've got going on here. 2 tablespoons of fresh jalapeno. Make sure that you take the seeds out or the jalapeno is going to be supremely spicy. The seeds kind of hold that spice. We're going to do 2 ounces of pimentos that come into a can. You're going to drain those, take out all the juice. Half of a yellow onion that's been diced as well. And then my personal favorite, adds a little kick to the dish, is the spicy tomatoes. Spicy tomatoes can be found in organic cans. They just are made with red pepper flakes. Super, super, super tasty. And they add a little bit of a different perspective to a dip rather than just regular plain tomatoes. So you're going to mix around all of your yummy veggies that give you so much nutrition. And then what you're going to do is add on our dressing. Our dressing has olive oil, a little bit of balsamic and red wine vinegar, Dijon mustard, sugar, oregano, salt, and pepper. And you're going to make sure that you whisk this very well. We know oil and vinegar don't usually mix that well, so you've got to whisk this up a little bit. And then you're going to put this mixture on top of your veggies. Then stir well, and the best part about this dip is it can be a dip, but it can also be a salad. You can put it in some lettuce cups, serve it with a side of like turkey burgers, anything yummy. You're going to scoop the dip into a little serving dish, and then you can serve them with tortilla chips or my personal favorite, some pop chips for a nice low-calorie but super, super healthy dip. And that is the black-eyed pea dip with Ashley Pettit Living. Enjoy!